السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اللہم ارنا الحق حقا وارزقنا اتباعہ وارنا الباطل باطلا وارزقنا اجتنابہ اللہم اغفر لنا وارحمنا وارض عنا وتقبل منا وادخلنا الجنة ونجنا من النار واصلح لنا شأننا كله. Today inshallah we will do the chapter about tashhad and how to do tashhad, and the next hadith will be what to recite in tashhad. This hadith in Mishkah Sharif is 908. وعن عبد الله بن زبير رضي الله تعالى عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا قعد يدعو وضع يده اليمنى على فخذ اليمنى ويده اليسرى على فخذه اليسرى وأشار بإصبعه السبابة ووضع إبهامه على إصبعه الوسطى ويلقم كفه اليسرى ركبته. Abdullah bin Zubair radiallahu ta'ala anhu reported Rasulullah has said that Rasulullah when they sit for the tashhad, Rasulullah fold his left foot and put it flat on the ground and sit on it, and he remain his right foot straight with the fingers turning and pointing towards the Qibla, and he formed like he raised the index finger, which is called the sababa, index finger, and make a circle with his middle finger, which is resting on the thumb, and he rolled his left knee with his left hand, and he hold it like he's holding the knee completely from all 5 fingers. So this is the way that Rasulullah has done the tashhad, that he has to sit on his left foot flat on the ground with the left hip bone on it, and his right foot is straight, and the digits of the right foot is facing towards the Qibla, and he make a circle with his middle finger and the thumb, and raise the index finger for when we say in tashhad, the kalima, and also with the left hand he is holding his left knee, and he is sitting folded his legs onto his thighs. So this is the way the sajda has been performed by the tashhad has been performed by our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.